What's good, YouTube? We back at it again with another banger. Alright, check me out on this one, bro. Something new. It been a long time since I got my hair retwisted, right? Excuse my hand being ashy, look ashy, you feel me? It is what it is, I'm grinding, you feel me? Make sure you like the video, you feel me? Y'all been smashing that like button. Let's get this video to 20 likes. Can we get it to 20 likes? Y'all been smashing it. With that being said, you feel me? But I'm getting my hair done today. But by me though, I'm finna teach you how to do your own hair by yourself. You feel me? Now repeat what I'm finna say. If you catch it, you catch it. Nah, if you had somebody that did your hair for you, feel me? You used to them doing it for you. So now when they gone, you gotta learn how to do it by yourself. Especially if you wanna keep it up. So today, I'm finna be giving y'all a tutorial on how to redo your own dread. See y'all at the hair store. Alright, just got the hair store, you feel me? You know how to get them rubber bands, you know what I'm saying? They come in the band, man. Tight shit, you know. Then I got these so I could like all that. Yes, sir. And I got these, so before I'm gonna show y'all the before and after picture, it's gonna probably take me at least not 2 hours. I'm gonna fast forward, you know, come here, have a talk with y'all type shit. Some shit like. So I'm gonna catch you then. Alright, YouTube, I made it back home. You feel me? I just got the spray. My shit mad wet. So yeah. So step one, you going to wash them. Tight shit. And you feel me? I got some clips. I got some walking gel. Definitely, y'all definitely gonna need that right there. And I got some blue. That shit wet. Then I got the blue magic. You did. And this right here, this is what's gonna make your junk soft when you put it in the stocking cap or whatever you use. I'm finna get this, so I'm gonna show y'all the results. Then I got these so I can throughout the day. I probably have one of these, so I get tired of having it in the cap. I can like style it up, you know what I'm saying? So you see how much I got. So let's get to it. I'm gonna shake my dreads off a little bit more, put some clothes on, you feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna come back to it. So see you then. All right, this the progress. Tight shit. I gotta do this whole side. Bro, it took me so long just to do this in the back. See what I'm saying? Got the back. So yeah. Again, longer, I can't say that. So I'm gonna just record a little bit of, get a good angle. Damn. But if you like this video already, man, shout out to you, man. But so far, I just been using the lock and gel tight shit. I got the clips and the black rubber bands, cause I had one right here, and then one in the middle, and one on the side. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna try to let y'all see how I do it, and I'm actually using. I need crochet kit. Yeah, that's how you can be able to do it on your own. I'm trying to get an angle. See, that's why it was kind of hard for me to record in the bathroom. It's gonna be a kind of hard angle for tight. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that bit right. Trying to get it right. I'm gonna it takes so long to do this shit, bro. That shit is crazy. What? guess I'm gonna show y'all the end results. Well, I'm gonna try to. I might have to go in my room and sit down. All right, here's the results. Well, not the results, but half of the progress, you guys. I had to get it right. Yes, sir. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. 360. Type shit. Feel me? So it actually took me probably, I want to say, like an hour. But that's me. Some people might go faster or whatever. But I'm finna show you step by step how I do it. I had a rubber band. I had to section it off. So now I'll just take this little rubber band off right here. So I just take this little rubber band off right here. So then I see what all I got left. Okay. That one gooped out. So I have just this hole right here. Just these right here. So then I get them apart. I got a little. Yes, sir. Got that. So I just put it on my finger. Roll it together. You just, however you want to twist it, you can do it this, like this, or you can just hand twist it, see it get it faster, like that. See what I got? Then I put my glove on, because the reason I put the glove on is because I just stabbed my finger with the crochet kits that I'm using. I just stabbed my finger with that junk so many times, bro. So I wear like a glove on my hand. With a glove on my hand. So what you want to do, I'll use the smallest. I think I want to say this is like a 1.0. This is like a 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3/4. So I use the one because I'm not doing nothing big at all. So what I do. What's good, everybody? Y'all seen how long it took. The results came out pretty good, but individually doing one by one, it takes me on upon average about 3 to 5 minutes just to do one single dread, depending on if it's thick or skinny. But you see, I use the crochet needle, the small side, to get the smaller dreads. And when it comes to the big dreads in the back, I'm using the bigger part of the crochet. So right here, I'm just crocheting the dread, getting it right, you know. Yeah, that's all it to it. All you do is just eat, sleep, repeat process. Once you're done with one dread, go to the next one, and you keep going till you're all done. That's it. All the other stuff. So you can see, you see how I did? I did probably want to say from like here all the way like here. Because you still got to give her some room to breathe, but you can get it down to the root. You gotta put a little crochet in a little bit lower. You can't really, I don't know if y'all can really see, but get it on that scalp. You can hold your fingers a certain way, you see I'm starting to get it just a little bit. I turn it to the side. Pull it some more. And I just seen how I did that. Right? And you see I got this little tip. I don't really like though. I like I'm making kind of chunky. even one dread, like how these is, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down. Now you see it's starting to get that little shape like that. And now I get to pulling it. Let me look. You know, you see what I'm saying? You see that look a little, that look a little bit different. Then I go on the other side, not that. Yeah, there's something more. Cause the main objective is, if you do your own hair, it might not be, you know, top performance. I mean, top performance, top tier, you know, top professional. But you can do your own hair to save some time. You might be in a rush. You might got something coming up, and your stylist, your hairstylist, he or she booked up. You feel me? You could just go on YouTube and just talk about how you do hair, and I'm gonna be recommended. And you click on the video and you watch it. And I just taught you the sauce, bro. You see it? You see? I'm probably fast for this little video, but you see, I got that one a little bit, right? That's good enough. I'm gonna put the clip right there. Tighten it up a little bit, but that's how you do your dread. So then you just do that one by one, depending on how many dreads you got. You know, if you got bigger dreads, you can use bigger needles. So that's how you do the dread part. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done. All right, YouTube, I finally finished it. It's like 12:30 in the morning. I finished it. Got it right though. Definitely got that bit right. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go to sleep. And I cut my own hair too, so I'm gonna cut my hair too on there for y'all. All that good stuff. But yeah, I'm finna get it right in the stocking cap. Let it sit overnight. And then I'm gonna show you the final results. Stay in touch. Yes, sir. What's good, YouTube? It's the next morning, and I slept with the jumbo Durag for the dreads, if you know what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. So this how it look, we done. And that's how you retwist your own dreadlocks. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Comment what you think on the video, please. I need everybody to comment. Let me know what y'all thinking. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And you know how I go at the end of the video. Peace.